So, Google is reportedly planning an earlier than usual launch for its Pixel 9a in 2025. According to a recent leak, the device will retain its $499 price point while introducing notable improvements in design, hardware, and performance. With a March release expected, various rumors and leaks are already providing insight into what Google's upcoming budget smartphone might deliver. The Pixel 9a is expected to run on a modified Tensor G4 chip coupled with 8 GB of RAM and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB using UFS 3.1 technology. It will include the Titan M2 security chip, mirroring other Pixel devices. The phone's display is rumored to measure 6.3 inches and will be protected by Gorilla Glass 3. This display is said to feature a peak brightness of 1700 nits or 2700 nits for HDR content, along with a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. In a major design overhaul, Google is reportedly moving away from the signature camera bar seen on previous Pixel models. Instead, the Pixel 9a will include a 48-megapixel Samsung GN8 quad dual-pixel main camera, paired with a 13-megapixel Sony IMX712 ultra-wide lens that will also serve as the front-facing camera. These updates suggest a significant leap in photography capabilities, especially for a budget device. The battery is another area of improvement. Initial reports suggested a 5,000 mAh capacity, but the latest leak claims the Pixel 9a will pack a 5,100 mAh battery. It will support 23 watts wired charging and 7.5 watts wireless charging, although it reportedly won't include Qi2 wireless charging. Despite the larger battery, the phone's dimensions remain compact, with a size slightly larger than its predecessor, but a lighter weight of 185.9 grams. The Pixel 9a is expected to ship with Android 15 pre-installed and promises 7 years of software updates, maintaining Google's commitment to long-term support. Other features include a matte finish on the back, an optical in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 dust and water resistance, DisplayPort 1.4a video output, and a physical SIM slot. So what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 9a? Share your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.